Everyone stand back. I think he's waking up.
OMG Marcus, I just had a horrible dream where I got shot in the face with a shotgun by an alien chick lol.
Hi, sorry about shooting you. I was in that box for a long time, so I was a little on edge.
Nice legs, Daisy Dukes, makes a man go. That's the way they all come through like low cut, see-through shirts that make ya. That's the way she come through like. 'Cause I just set them up, just set them up, just set them up tonight. 'Cause I just set them up, just set.
What are you staring at?
Nothing lol. Just her beautiful eyes.
You can't even see my eyes.
I have X-ray vision lol.
Why do you keep saying that?
What lol?
That.
You mean, why does Chief keep saying lol? It means LOL or laugh out loud. He stays on the internet a lot watching videos of flying cats.
Oh my god, holy crap, it's a flying Pop-Tart cat. I was ignoring that. What could this mean? What is the reason behind this Pop-Tart cat? It's just like, holy crap, it's just like, whoa, it's going to the, oh my god, why is it in space? Why is it pooping out rainbows? What could it be? With breakfast, I could poop out rainbows. I wonder if other cats can poop out rainbows. Why is it Pop-Tart? Holy crap, this is the greatest thing I have ever seen.
He speaks the language of the internet.
So baby, I know we just met, but I see you have a ticket.
What ticket?
A ticket to ride the Master Chief train. Chooga chooga choo choo. I just blew my horn. Lol. Ouchie. My beautiful balls, they are on fire. Ooh.
Try that again, and I'll make sure to kill you next time I shoot you.
You're hot when you're angry, lol. Ow. I like her.
Don't you think you were a little harsh on him?
Maybe, but he deserved it. He needs to learn a thing or two about women.
Yeah, but you didn't have to put him into the fetal position.
Welcome to another episode of Vlogging with Chief. So, what did you guys think about my new theme song? Pretty cool, right? So anyways, I just met this alien girl who is now living with me now. Yeah, I know that most of you are probably really jealous of me, which you should be. So anyways, she kicked me in the balls multiple times, but I still think that she likes me. I mean, who doesn't love me, right? Lol. Time to play some Halos. Bombs away. Sup guys?
Man, who let this guy join the party? Hey, Master Chief, could you, leave, please? We're kind of in the middle of making a machinima.
Holy crap guys, who do I get to be? Can I be a super awesome cool soldier guy who is awesome and does cool awesome stuff?
No, I already have actors, so yeah, sorry.
Ooh.
Dude, that voice is freaking annoying! Just shut up! You aren't even the real Master Chief! God!
I'm too.
He's a video game character, he's not real!
Fine. I can see I'm not wanted here. I'll just make my own machinima that will be like a bazillion times better than yours.
Good luck.
Noobs. I can totally make a better machinima lol.